As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. Ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies.
Every time I try something different, it just doesn't work. Yeah, it's got a massive big like dent in it.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling this heavy load got under your skin, hauling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for a collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors.
Yep.
Moments pass, make this one count. Untie. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Hell underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around,
It's a sour taste in it. It's a sour taste. To be fooled again, honey. To be fooled again. Stole my heart and ripped it into pieces.
Okay, so one of the things that I wanted to achieve was to not see a bunch of cords and cables and power boards when I walk into my bedroom, because it's just like a cluttered eyesore. So one of the reasons that I chose this particular unit was because it had the pre-drilled holes at the back to be able to put cables and cords through, and big enough to be able to, you know, support cable management. So I'm going to see if I can make this a little bit better.
I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Saves the heat and make me make a prayer. to the stuff we know will fail. Stole my thoughts for no given reason, none at all. No, it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I want it. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I want it. I still make it.
Aw, thanks, buddy. Is that mine or just a sip? Well, if you want a sip. I'm getting cranky at the cables.
I just wanna be the one who
Stand it and the cables just fall down behind.
I just wanna be the
It's getting a
one.
bit hard.
Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. Hey, you better make it worth it. Just stay, just stay. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise. As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown.
Riley, what do you think? Ooh, nice, Mom. Good job. Good job. The little toast slide's nice. I know, so it's yours. I didn't steal it, I just borrowed it. It's too cute.